What's coming up in this episode? We will talk about the top 13 marketing automation best practices for small businesses, including a 3-step marketing automation strategy that is the key to truly replacing yourself in marketing and business, and at the same time, keep growing your business. And you will also find out about 3 simple hacks that can grow any business beyond what's normally possible. My name is István Bújdosó, and welcome to the 47 Marketing Show that reveals marketing automation strategies for busy entrepreneurs to get more done in less time and ultimately replace yourself in digital marketing and business. Let's dive straight into marketing automation best practice number 1. Start with the end in mind. The ultimate purpose of every marketing automation system you set up in your business should be having various assets that can replace you, help you to generate cash flow, and grow your business without your day-to-day involvement. When you are planning to implement a new marketing automation system, always keep that ultimate goal in mind. Best practice number 2, step by step. Replacing yourself while the business keeps growing as well can feel like an overwhelming task at first. The truth is, it's not something that is possible to do in an hour or in a few days. It requires setting up a combination of multiple marketing automation systems and quite a lot of work overall, but in the end, it's worth it. And to avoid being stopped by the overwhelming feeling of the size of the entire process, the best is to follow a simple best practice. Do it step by step. Okay, the next marketing automation best practice is number 3, persistency. It's not only important to do it step by step, it is also crucial to be persistent and keep taking steps after steps until your business can run without your day-to-day involvement. Marketing automation best practice number 4, consistency. Replacing yourself in marketing and business is truly a lot of work. Implementing marketing automation systems here and there, every now and then, is not going to get you there. Even if you are busy and even if you only can work on it a tiny bit, every business day, do work on it to keep up the momentum. Okay, in a moment you will find out about the 3-step marketing automation strategy that is the key to truly replacing yourself in marketing and business, and at the same time keep growing your business. And after that, I will also share with you 3 simple hacks that can grow any small business beyond what's normally possible. Number 5 is the A.D.P strategy on our best practice list. This is the 3-step marketing automation strategy I mentioned earlier. When you're setting up any marketing automation system, the rule of thumb is to automate as much of that activity as possible, delegate the parts that are not possible to automate, and the most important step is processes. Clear and detailed guides on what needs to be done by an automation or your team, how and when, in order to get things done the most efficiently without your involvement. By using this A.D.P marketing automation strategy, you can truly replace yourself in marketing and business, and at the same time keep growing your business. Recently, we published a dedicated episode with more details on this strategy. After you finish this episode, check out that one as well. The link will be in the description. Okay, the next marketing automation best practice is number 6, know your audience. Create an avatar of your ideal customer, who they are, what they do, how they feel and think, and so on. The more clear you are about it, the easier things get and the more effective your marketing will be. Every marketing material you and your team create for your marketing automations should talk to that avatar. Best practice number 7, track and optimize. Avoid guesswork as much as possible so your success won't depend on luck. One of the many benefits of marketing automation is that you can make decisions based on real feedback from the very beginning and always track the performance of your marketing automation systems, analyze the data to understand what is working and what is not, and keep optimizing and adjusting your systems based on real numbers. Number 8, understand the journey of your customers. From strangers to regularly returning clients, the first stage of the journey is strangers turning into your audience, a group of people who know you, like you, and trust you to a certain level. The next stage is when some of your audience is not only consuming your videos, podcasts, and other content, they also visit the links you share in your content. And the third stage is when that traffic, some of those visitors turn into your leads, they opt into your email list. The next stage of the journey is when some of your leads gain enough trust in you to turn into your customers. They buy the first product from you. And the fifth and last stage is when your customers know you, like you, and trust you well to keep coming back to buy more from you or to sign up to a subscription-based service of yours. In a minute, we will go into more details of these 5 stages, including 3 simple hacks that can grow any business beyond what's normally possible. Before that, let me ask you to do something for me. If you are enjoying this episode so far, then click on the like button right now. That signals this platform to show this content to more people so they can learn from it as well. Thank you for your like, and now let's continue. As you go through the next 5 marketing automation best practices that are related to the stages we talked about a bit earlier, look out for the 3 simple hacks that can grow any business beyond what's normally possible. Okay, the next marketing automation best practice is number 9, audience building. And the best way to do that is creating and publishing video content regularly and consistently. Here's why video content is a form of marketing automation. Because every video you publish is working for you 24/7, 365 days, and is building your audience without you being there. Videos are much better than just that because with a simple hack you can multiply their power by several times and build your audience a lot faster. That hack is called repurposing, which means turning each video into multiple different media assets like videos, podcasts, blog posts, social media posts, and so on. Best practice number 10, traffic. As a form of marketing automation, strategically use your content to generate warm traffic to your lead and sales funnels on autopilot. Leverage 2 types of automated traffic. First, organic traffic through call to actions and links in your content. And second, paid traffic retargeting your existing audience and targeting new potential people. Besides these 2 types of traffic, there are a lot more other ways you can generate traffic, and a great resource to learn about these is the Traffic Secrets book by the New York Times bestseller author Russell Brunson. You can find the link to that book in the description as well. Okay, the next marketing automation best practice is number 11, lead generation. It's 100% possible to automate your lead generation with a lead funnel, which is a special step-by-step website that tends to convert better than normal websites. Start with one lead funnel, drive traffic to it, and optimize it. Once that is generating you leads stably on autopilot, then add another lead funnel to your marketing automation arsenal. Number 12, online sales. Similarly to the previous marketing automation best practice, use sales funnels to generate income on autopilot. Sales funnels are also special step-by-step websites that convert better than normal websites. Plus, each step of a strategically structured sales funnel gets the customers to buy more of your products. And with that, you can get back the money you invest into advertising pretty much instantly. And here's a simple hack to boost your sales even further. It's called funnel stacking. When you have multiple sales funnels, on the last step of each funnel, on the thank you page, recommend the customers to check out another one of your products or services. This way you can help them even more and also boost your sales further. Although this is a great way to automate your income, the next marketing automation best practice is where the real money is. Number 13, follow-ups. If you haven't heard the saying yet, the money is in the follow-ups, because the simple fact is that the most of your leads will not buy from you the first time they opt into your email list. They need time and value from you to get to know you, like you, and trust you to that level that they buy from you. That's why regular and consistent follow-ups are the key to the real money. The more leads you have, the more challenging it gets to follow up with them manually. After a while, it's even impossible to reach out to them one by one daily. And that's why using marketing automation to do your follow-ups is so important. Plus, using this best practice is a fundamental element of reaching the ultimate goal, truly replacing yourself in marketing and business, and at the same time keep growing your business. The writing part of email follow-ups is a manual activity, which can be quite some work when your automation sends out daily follow-ups. With this simple hack, you can write a limited amount of emails and use them for unlimited follow-ups. This hack is called email automation loop. For example, if you have an automation with enough emails for about at least 3 months, then once they get the last email of the automation from the next day, you can loop them back to the first email and start resending them the emails. And this way you can keep following up with your leads forever with a limited amount of emails and be in their inbox when they are ready to buy. If you enjoyed this video, click on the like button. It supports this channel a bit. And make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified of the future videos just like this one. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.